Welcome to Fly Your English channel, and today we're on herbs and spices. Mint. If you make tea with mint, it becomes aromatic. Parsley. Parsley is rich in A, B, and C vitamins. Basil. Basil is the main ingredient of Italian pesto sauce. Dill. Dill has a special aroma because of its essential oil. Chives. Chives can be grown at home in the winter. Cress. Cress has a pleasantly bitter and tangy taste. Arugula. Italian people like to add arugula to pizza. Green onions. Green onions were first used in ancient Egypt. Leek. The Romans considered leek the food of the rich. Thyme. Thyme tea can help reduce fatigue. Bay. In ancient Greece and Rome, bay leaves were used to make wreaths. Fennel. Fennel seeds are actively used in Italian and French cuisine. Tarragon. Tarragon is often used in cucumber pickling. Sage. Sage is used in popular mouthwashes. Oregano. Oregano is a popular spice with rich flavor. Cilantro. Cilantro stems, leaves, roots, and seeds are used in cooking. Curly parsley. Curly parsley is used to decorate dishes. Rosemary. Rosemary is an evergreen plant. Cloves. Clove spice is the unopened buds of the clove tree. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is responsible for beautiful skin color. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is one of the hottest. Mustard. Mustard is one of the oldest spices. Ginger. Ginger strengthens the immune system. Tumeric. Turmeric was widely used as a dye. Nutmeg. Nutmeg is used in powdered form to flavor desserts. Caraway. Caraway is considered a baker's spice. Coriander. Coriander is widely used in folk medicine. Black pepper. Dishes that contain black pepper become healthier. Cardamom. Cardamom is a rare and very expensive spice. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you like it and subscribe to my channel.